Woe to those who write the book with their own hands and then say, "This is from God," to exchange it for a small price. Woe to them for what their hands have written, and woe to them for what they earn. And they said, "The fire will not touch us except for a few days." Say, have you taken a covenant from God? For he never breaks his covenant. Or are you saying about God that which you do not know? No, whoever earns evil and his sin encompasses him, they are the companions of the fire. They will abide therein forever. But those who believe and do righteous deeds, they are the companions of the garden. They will abide therein forever. And remember when we took the covenant from the children of Israel, worship none but God, and treat parents with kindness, and also relatives, orphans, and the needy, and speak kindly to people, and establish prayer and give zakah. But then you turned away, except for a few among you, and you are refusing. And remember when we took your covenant, do not shed each other's blood or evict one another from your homes. Then you acknowledged it while you were witnessing. Yet you are the ones who kill each other and expel a group of your people from their homes, supporting each other against them in sin and aggression. And if they come to you as captives, you ransom them, though it was forbidden for you to expel them. So, do you believe in part of the book and disbelieve in part? Then the punishment for those who do this is nothing but disgrace in this worldly life, and on the day of resurrection, they will be returned to the severest punishment. And God is not unaware of what you do. Those who exchanged the hereafter for worldly life, for them the punishment will not be lightened, nor will they be helped. And when a messenger came to them from Allah, confirming what was with them, a group of the people of the book threw the book of Allah behind their backs, as if they knew nothing. They followed what the devils taught during Solomon's reign. Solomon did not disbelieve, but the devils disbelieved, teaching people magic. And it was not but magic that was sent down to two angels, Harut and Marut, in Babylon. They would teach no one unless they said, "We are but a trial, so do not disbelieve." Yet they learned from them that which could cause separation between a man and his wife, but they could not harm anyone except by Allah's permission. They learned what harmed them and did not benefit them. And indeed, they knew that whoever engaged in this would have no share in the hereafter. How evil was that for which they sold their souls, if only they knew. And had they believed and been righteous, surely the reward from Allah would have been far better, if only they knew. O believers, do not say Ra'ina but say Unzurna, and listen carefully. And for the disbelievers, there is a painful punishment. The disbelievers among the people of the book and the polytheists do not like that any goodness should be sent down to you from your Lord. But Allah chooses for His mercy whom He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty. Whenever we abrogate a verse or cause it to be forgotten, we bring one better than it or similar to it. Do you not know that Allah is over all things competent? Do you not know that to Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and that besides Allah, you have no protector or helper? Or do you wish to question your messenger as Moses was questioned before? And whoever exchanges faith for disbelief has certainly strayed from the right path. Many of the people of the book wish to turn you back to disbelief after your faith, out of envy from their own selves, after the truth has become clear to them. But forgive them and overlook until Allah brings about His command. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Establish prayer and give zakat, and whatever good you send forth for yourselves, you will find it with Allah. Indeed, Allah sees what you do. They say, "None will enter paradise except those who are Jews or Christians." These are their wishful thoughts. Say, produce your proof if you are truthful. Yes, whoever submits his face in Islam to Allah while being a doer of good, his reward is with his Lord. They will have no fear, nor will they grieve. The Jews say the Christians have nothing to stand on, and the Christians say the Jews have nothing to stand on, although they both read the scripture. Similarly, those who do not know said the same as their statements. Allah will judge between them on the day of resurrection, concerning that over which they used to differ. And who is more unjust than one who prevents Allah's name from being mentioned in His mosques and strives toward their destruction? It is not for them to enter them except in fear. For them in this world is disgrace, and for them in the hereafter is a great punishment. To Allah belong the east and the west, so wherever you turn, there is the face of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-encompassing and all-knowing. They say Allah has taken a son. Exalted is He. Rather, to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. All are devoutly obedient to Him. He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. When He decrees a matter, He only says to it, "Be," and it is. Those who do not know say, "Why does Allah not speak to us or send us a sign?" Those before them said similar words. Their hearts are alike. We have made clear the signs to a people who are certain in faith. Indeed, we have sent you, O Muhammad, with the truth as a bringer of good tidings and a warner, and you will not be asked about the companions of hellfire. Never will the Jews or the Christians be satisfied with you until you follow their religion. Say, indeed, the guidance of Allah is the only guidance. If you were to follow their desires after what has come to you of knowledge, you would have against Allah no protector or helper.